We see those numbers climb. Some businesses and government agencies and healthcare systems are pushing vaccine mandates to try to get ahead of the spread. But those mandates are sparking a lot of discussion and debate. And now we're getting a chance to hear from some North Carolina lawmakers who believe requiring the shot should be reconsidered. WCNC Charlotte's Brianna Harper explains why.
Novant and Atrium Health, two of Charlotte's biggest healthcare programs, both now requiring that all of their employees receive the COVID-19 vaccine. Now, I spoke to one state representative who believes before this decision was made, employee input and flexibility should have been considered. In this formal letter to North Carolina health system CEOs, signed by 55 State House Republicans, it's a plea to place COVID-19 vaccinations as an option rather than a requirement.
Number one is that people should have a choice to do it.
Representative Mark Brody is one of those who signed his name in support for various reasons, like constitutionality concerns when it comes to mandating vaccines, possible HIPAA violations, and the fact that the COVID vaccine isn't yet officially FDA approved.
Experimental. And that should be the frightening part about this.
But leaders with the North Carolina Healthcare Association disagree.
The vaccine is safe, and we think everybody should get it. And if we want to ever get over this pandemic, we all need to do our part and get our shot.
Yet for many, it's still unclear when or how we even reach herd immunity, with both vaccinated and unvaccinated people continuing to get COVID-19.
That really should not be happening. And of course, then that raises up the flag of is this vaccine actually effective?
Sparking protests like these happening from the state capitol to right here in Charlotte. Many healthcare workers rallying against the COVID vaccine requirement, but Representative Brody believes soon things may go a step further.
Somebody's going to have to file suit at this point, a group of employees. But you got to remember now, nobody has been fired yet. And we're coming up to that point.
And another concern is how potential firings could put a further dent in the state's healthcare workforce. Also just announced today, the city of Charlotte says they will now require all city employees to share their vaccination status. And then based on that data collected, they'll determine if any further COVID regulations need to be put in place. Brianna Harper, WCNC, Charlotte.